Jai children, welcome back to the next session of our online EVS class. Hope all are doing well. Today we are going to start a new chapter in our EVS textbook. The name of our chapter is Our Earth. In this lesson you will learn about the Earth and the various landforms on Earth. Children, do you know on which planets do we live on? We live on the planet Earth. We live on the planet Earth. There are 8 planets and these planets revolve around the sun. Our Earth is one of them. The Earth is the third planet in the solar system. Dear children, look at a globe. It is a model of our Earth. The Earth is round like a huge ball. Our Earth has 2 parts, land and water. The blue part shows water. The brown and green parts show land. By looking at the globe, we know that the Earth is round in shape and it is made of land and water. Our Earth has air, water and land. There is air all around the earth. We need air to breathe. Water covers most of the earth. Water can be seen in the seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. We need water to drink, cook, clean, etc. Almost 70% of the surface of the earth is covered with water. Hence, it is called a blue planet. Land covers only a small part of the earth. We make houses on land. We grow food grains, fruits, vegetables, etc. on land. Vehicles move on land. Land is not smooth everywhere. At some places, land is flat. At some places, land is high. There are many types of land. They are plains, hills, mountains, valleys, plateaus, and islands. Now let us have a look at each one of them in detail. Plains. The flat part of the earth is called a plain. Most of the people live on plain. Many rivers flow through the plains. Then hills. At some places the land is high. The high part of the land is called a hill. Hills are cooler than plains. Children, what is a hill? The high part of the land is called a hill. Mountains. Some hills are very high. They are called mountains. The tops of the mountains are covered with snow. The snow on the mountains melt to form rivers. Rivers flow down the mountains. They flow through the plains and fall into the sea. The mountains are the highest places in the world. Then valleys. Now let us understand what a valley is. The lowland between two hills is called a valley. It looks beautiful with colorful flowers and green plants. Some people live in valleys. Next, plateau. A plateau or tableland is a raised piece of land with a flat top. A plateau looks like a table, so it is also called a tableland. It is higher than the area around it. Then an island. What is an island? An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. What is an island? An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Dear children, Earth is our home. It is also home to plants and animals. We need to take care of it. To save our earth, we should plant more trees. We should not waste water. Do not use plastic bags. Use paper bags. We must keep our earth clean and green. Okay, children, I hope you all understood the lesson. Read the textbook. Thank you.